Good morning, students. Myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISM Murli Dhanbad. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter of class 8, stars and the solar system. Our next topic is comets. So what basically is a comet? So a comet is a small body of ice or dust that moves around the sun in an elongated orbit. Okay, as a comet approaches the sun, it heats up and leaves behind a stream of hot glowing gases and dust particles. Okay, so the visibility of comets is only occasionally, not every time. We see this as a tail of comet. Comets takes many years to complete an orbit around the sun. Okay, one of such examples is Halley comets, which take 70 years to go around the sun. Some comets come from outside to the solar system, and after going around the sun, they go back. Okay, so comets appear after long period. Okay, the next topic is meteor or meteoroids. Okay, so as we have already discussed about asteroids. Okay, let us discuss first about asteroids. So in a belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, millions of small irregular rocky bodies revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids, and the belt is known as the asteroid belt. Asteroids are also known as minor planets. Okay, so these are pieces of material that failed to come under to form a planet when the solar system was being formed. That means these are irregular masses, are not round masses as the planets. Irregular form of like a stone, and consists of different kind of metals, non-metals, and other kind of substances. Okay. Now the next topic is meteors or meteoroids. So asteroids were not the only pieces of rock left behind the formation of solar systems. Some others called meteoroids still orbit the Earth. So meteoroids are a kind of asteroid. When they come very close to the planets such as Earth, gravitational pulls them in, and they enter the Earth atmosphere and heat up because of the friction of air and start burning. As these burning meteoroids falls towards the ground, we see them as streaks of light. So these are the streaks of light. So whenever it hits the atmosphere, it reaches the atmosphere. Because of this, atmosphere provides immunity to the Earth's surface from any kind of such invasions or intrusions. Okay, so as a result of which, the atmosphere, due to the huge friction between the atmosphere, these substances burn out and appears as streaks of light. These are known as meteoroids. Okay, now moving to the other topic, which is artificial satellites. So what are artificial satellites? So artificial satellites are those the satellites which are made by man and are launched into the into the space. Now how come this occurs? So these satellites are actually structures which are basically used for communication purpose. Okay, so whatever communication we are getting, for example from cable TV, DTH, mobile phones, are because of this kind of satellites. They revolve around the Earth. Now how come these satellites are launched? First of all, whenever satellites are propelled through the help of a rocket, the rocket consists of fuel such as liquid nitrogen. So this rocket launches them beyond the threshold distance, okay, which is known as escape velocity. And as they reach there, the rocket fuel get exhausted and it falls down into the Earth surface, and the satellites are launched. That means whenever they reach a particular distance from where the influence of gravity is not there, at such a distance, they start revolving around the Earth's surface like a what you can say, like a natural satellite, but they are actually artificial and made for communication purpose. So Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite. Some other Indian satellites include INSAT, EduSat, Kalpana 1. Okay. So as we have said that there are many practical uses, applications of artificial satellite. They are used for what you can say, transmitting television and radio signals, mobile signals, as well as weather forecasting and other kind of activities. which are also used to what you can say probe other kind of anthropogenic and other environmental activities in the earth. Okay, after you get the video, the link will be the class group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.